Welcome to 4549 Ajo Walk, nestled in the prestigious Cascades of Atlanta. This stunning home, priced at $459,990, offers the perfect blend of luxury and convenience. Spanning 2,506 square feet, this residence boasts 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. The unique side entry garage adds a touch of elegance. With high ceilings and a cozy fireplace, the home exudes warmth and sophistication. Step into the modern kitchen, where sleek stainless steel appliances meet abundant storage. The open concept design allows natural light to flood the space, creating an inviting atmosphere for both cooking and entertaining. Retreat to the luxurious owner's suite, a sanctuary of comfort. Enjoy a spacious walk-in closet and an ensuite bath designed for relaxation. It's the perfect place to unwind after a long day. Located in Cascade Ridge at Niskey Lake, enjoy suburban tranquility with in-town convenience. Shopping, highways, and parks are just moments away. With up to $13,000 in incentives, your dream home awaits. Call to schedule a visit today.